Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Substack for paid newsletters, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Substack website at substack.com. In the top right corner, click on the sign up button. Enter your email address in the provided field. Create a password for your new account. Click the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email for a confirmation link from Substack. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Return to the Substack website and log in with your email and password. Once logged in, explore the different available newsletters. Find a paid newsletter that interests you. Click on the newsletter's title to access its main page. Review the newsletter's description and pricing details. Select your desired subscription plan, whether it's monthly or yearly. Enter your payment information in the provided fields. Include any additional details if prompted. Review your subscription details to ensure everything is correct. Click the Confirm Subscription button to finalize your purchase. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your new subscription. Explore the newsletter archives and engage with the content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.